Hello everyone. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to restrict unregistered users from ticket creation in BoldDesk. It will also cover how to prevent users from signing up in the portal. In BoldDesk, contacts and tickets are created for new users who reach out for support via email. Users can directly sign up from the customer portal too, and gain access to the system. Organizations need to manage user accounts carefully and prevent outsiders from creating accounts so they can maintain appropriate records within the system and ensure security. Therefore, BoldDesk admins can restrict external, unregistered users' incoming emails from automatically creating tickets or accounts. They can also disable the sign up option in the customer portal. First, let me show you how to prevent contact and ticket creation when unregistered users send a support email. I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to Emails in the Channels section. Then, I click the Configuration tab and enable the Restrict Unauthorized Inbound Email option. This will block incoming emails from unregistered users, mark them as suspended, and move them to the Suspended Emails list. These emails can be reviewed for further action. Follow the link in the card above and description below to learn more about how to manage suspended emails. Next, let me show you how to disable the Sign Up option in the Customer Portal. In the Admin Center, I navigate to Customer Portal under Settings. Then, I click Security tab and uncheck the Allow User to Sign Up from Customer Portal option. To configure the Customer Portal, an agent must have the Manage Settings permission. On the Customer Portal login page, the Sign Up option will not be displayed, and users will not be able to register new accounts or submit tickets from the customer portal. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.